Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and configure the track your order page on Ecomify 3.3 and higher. So what this looks like is it's going to be a section like this. So you do have the option, since this is a section, to add other sections underneath it as well if you would like. But for demo purposes, we have this right here. It is leveraging 17track, and I have a dummy tracking number just so you guys can kind of see what that looks like and what it's going to look like. So here, and then I have the firewall. You know, I can just put this in here, and let's just see. So after that, I now have this tracking information that I can see using this dummy tracking code. So that's what it will look like using the 17track all-in-one package tracking on this section here. So to go in and configure this, you're going to go into the Ecomify 3.3, and I'm going to go into the features. I apologize. I'm going to go into the tracking page right here. And since this is a section, I can just go in and I can start typing in tracking. And this is a section here. So I'll go in, track your order, and you are given settings for it. You have background color options, and background color options. Then you have the background gradients option. Then you have container fluid or container in a container. So it means container fluid means in a wide or in a container. Then you have max width options, and also then text alignment options as well, in addition to your title and also title size for mobile and for desktop. In addition to that, you do have description, mobile and desktop options for description as well. And then you do have button color, and right now I'm setting it as primary, and the colors are set and assigned in the theme settings right over here, the first like 6 or 7 here. Scrolling down here, then I have the button size, normal, small, and large, and then also the padding and margin. Padding is a space within the element, and margin is a space outside of the element. So I can play around with that as well. So it can kind of look like this. Obviously, you'd want to make it to your brand. So we'll go like this. In addition, like I had mentioned, this is going to be on a separate page. So what you could do is, I'll just delete this right now. We did make a separate page called tracking, and what you would do is, if you haven't already, create that page called tracking so you can kind of identify what it is, create it, and then you can do it based on whatever page you want. Once it's there, you're going to go into the pages right over here, and you're going to go into page the theme template for the page, and you're going to assign it to the tracking. Now remember, for page templates, if the theme isn't drafted and it's not live, you're not going to be able to see the templates until they are live, because they are proprietary to that theme. So do not fret about that. Once it's live, you'll be able to see all the pages that were in that theme. So I've assigned it to tracking. The page is called tracking, and now I go in and I can go into the tracking right over here. It's already set and done for you, so all you have to do is add that section. Again, like I said, it is a section, so you can add other things as well. So for example, I could add a feature products underneath it, and I'm just gonna go in and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. Then you can have a feature products. You can kind of upsell to your customers a bit more even on that page. And then I'll go in and add some spacing right here, and go forward with that. Move that, then I'll go and click save. So now when I give Shopify a bit to update, I can go in tracking and I'll see feature products. If they want to track their order, they can, and then they see more products here. So that is how to to configure and set up the track your order section on Ecomify. Thank you.